Hi everyone. Today I'm here with a different video, and it's all about the olive puller and splitter. So I'm making this video because I had an issue or scenario last week. So I had this olive splitter and olive puller, but on that case, both of them didn't work. So I had to buy this one. So this is olive puller. So I'm going to show you how it work, and I'll just review this one, how good it is. So I have three different like knot with the olive in it. So this is 20, so I'm using 22 pipe. So this is olive with 3x4 knot. So this one is 22 not with olive on it, and this one both 22, but you hardly see the olive in it. So I had something like this, but on a 3/4 knot. So let's start. So I made a scenario. So this is 22 pipe, and like let's say, and the knot doesn't go fully back, for the full excess of this olive. So on this case, we can't use the olive splitter. We can't use it. So you can't use the olive splitter or olive cutter on this case, because it has to go fully in. To use this olive splitter, it should go at least like this much. So when you make it tight, it split the olive and it just come off. But on that case, the knot was just up to here. So on this scenario, what we can do is we can use the olive puller. So like this, and we can pull this olive puller. We can use this olive puller to put the to take the olive out and to take the knot, so we can replace with a new one. Yeah, so but I already made the video how to use this one. But what happened, the knot was of 3/4. So I'm going to use that knot. So it was like this. So this is 3/4 knot, and you can't use this olive splitter, and even this doesn't work because you can't make it tight. It doesn't go tight, so it just go this much, and once you apply this thing, it just come off because it's not fully tight. So I didn't have any option, so I had to cut the pipe and like had to do the pipe work. But if I could take this thing easily, it would be easier job. So that's the reason why I bought this thing. But even I don't know how good is this olive puller is. So this is not olive puller, it pulled the whole knot. So this one, and it goes like this. But what happened, this is this is too big to go between the knot, and let's say if you have a T or something here or another fitting, this is too big to go in and pull the knot. But if you have excess little bit, let's say up to here, still, so it needs So now I made the area so it fit now. But what I notice, so the distance from here to here required to get in that thing, so I could pull the nut and lever out, you know. So once you pull this handle, this will come out. So now you know what happened. This nut can go fully back, and we can use this olive cutter or olive splitter. So in my opinion, this one is of no point, you know. So it's just useless. That's what I believe. If this thing has a really small, you know, length, you know, this, if this is the smaller in size, and if it could go, then this is really nice to have in your tool bag. But this is too big, and on this distance, you know, you can use the olive splitter, or you can use the junior hacksaw to cut it, or even you can use the pliers to take it out. But you know, this is no good. Yeah, it's good. It's good. It will pull the olive, and so I'm going to pull it out. It does pull out, but it's not good because of this thick support. So if it was of a smaller size, then it's really good tool. It can pull 8, 10, 15 mm, all kind of olive. So even I'm going to do this one. So again, same thing here. So the two knot and the space here is really low, you know, the distance between two knot is very low. To use the olive cutter or the pliers. You can't use this thing because of this wide support. It's too big for this one, so it can't go. So the best tool for that one, if it's of 22 mm, then it's the olive puller. So you can just tight this knot and you can just pull it. Yeah, so this is really nice tool, but you know, it's of no point. You know, if it has a low distance, you know, if it's not thick as it should be, then it's a really good tool to have in your tool bag.